Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So today I went to my local craft shop that is Hobbycraft in UK, and I was so excited to see that Halloween goodies are already out, and I really was so excited. So I thought, why not show you what we have in our craft store regarding the Halloween. So these are the items. So many amazing things: skeletons, pumpkins, and these lanterns. There was so much to see, and ideas were running in my mind what to do with them. So later on in coming time you will see many Halloween goodies from me. This was really cute. Thought it. So these are some wreaths, and so they were so giving me the autumn vibes. So happy to see them. Some more skeleton fellows here. And again some amazing wreaths here, and I really like this black one. Okay, and something really excited to share with you. We haven't had any resin section in our hobbycraft, but today I just saw these amazing resin related things. I was so excited. And this is eco resin, and this is jasmonite. I haven't found jasmonite yet in the shop, but there is so upgrade of the resin items, and these are probably Pebio. And I have seen the molds. So people in UK, go to your hobbycraft and see for your themselves, though they are really expensive, but still I thought, why not share? Because it's been so long reason it is out, but it was not available in the hobbycraft in our craft shops. So you can see the prices, they are really expensive, but still it's in the shop, and I was so excited. So I thought, why not share with you all? So many years ago when I started resin, a lot of people do use Pebio. I haven't used the resin yet, but I think I might try this. And these are the molds, but quality wise these are really good. I can feel them. So every silicone mold that is of good quality is expensive. I can see that. So these are Cabochon Moles, and this is the geode. I had this mold, so I didn't bought it. These are the coaster molds, and then this is the silicone putty for making molds. So this is the stuff I bought it, and let's see what I got. So these are some mechanical pencils for drawing. And I have bought this white sand that I was looking for a long ago, and mostly I find them in bulk. I just don't want that much. I will be going to do some experiments in the future, and these will be interesting video for you all. And this is you can say stony grainy sand granules basically. And these are some felts for, I sometimes make coasters that I lined with felt. These are beads, wooden beads. Again, this is for jewelry items. So these are different sizes I bought. And this is the Posca pen. I do have them in different sizes. This is the biggest, and I really wanted to buy it, so I did. And this is the Pebio white Blanco Blanco. It's a concentrate pigment, and I really wanted to try it, so I bought it. Elmer screw glue. And lastly, I have saved this one for you all. I bought this mold. This is a tray mold, and although it's expensive, it's 26 quids. 26 pounds, but I really wanted to try it, and I was so tempted to buy it. Or out of these all molds, I bought this tray. So I'm really excited to try it out and will share with you everyone what I will be making. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Take care. Bye bye.